Country of origin: China. The package height of the product is 1.8 inches. The package length of the product is 5.26 inches. The package width of the product is 3.05 inches. Established in 1919 and traded on the NYSE, Standard Motor Products, Inc., SMP, is a leading independent manufacturer, distributor, and marketer of replacement parts for motor vehicles in the automotive aftermarket industry, with a complementary focus on heavy-duty, industrial equipment and original equipment markets. Top reviews from the United States. Fuel injector connector for 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. Great replacement so far. I cut off old one, stripped the wire's insulators off, twisted them together using the same wire that entered the same side of the old connector for both on new connector, soldered, put electrical tape on, put protective plastic wire shielding on, and taped up as it was before. Looks professional. Happy somebody's actually making. FYI, found coil connectors on alternative site.